Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new stocking fillers released by Cultbeauty. The red one is called More Radiance cracker, is retailed for £27 and worth £91. The second stocking filler is called More Color, is retailed for £25 and worth £71. Okay beautiful people, let's open them and see what we will find inside. I will start with a More Radiance cracker. First we find a travel size product from the brand Omorovica. Gentle Buffing Gelée is an exfoliating gel cleanser that will leave the skin smooth, soft and glowy. From this brand I tried a face cream and was very good. Happy to try something else. Second we find another travel size product from Paula's Choice. Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. This is a face treatment for congested, oily or combination skin to unclog pores, to reduce breakouts and even skin tone. Third we have a full-size product from Ren Clean Skincare, Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This cream will smooth tone and brighten the entire eye area, is vegan, is cruelty-free and is fragrance-free. Everything sounds wow, I don't know what to say. I tried a couple of products from Ren and I didn't like them. We will see. And the last product that we find, is from Chantecaille, Flower Harmonizing Cream. Is a face cream formulated with a rich assortment of essential oils, botanicals, seaweed and vitamins to nourish skin and reinforce the moisture barrier. I never tried a skincare product from Chantecaille. Very happy that I have a chance to do it now. Okay beauties, this was the first cracker, now let's move to the second one. To be honest, I'm more excited to see the products from the More Color bubble. The packaging reminds me of a Cultbeauty advent calendar. Let's open it. And first we find a full-size mascara from Iconic London, Triple Frit Mascara in black. I had this mascara in the past and it's a nice mascara. It is not amazing, it's okay. Second we find a mini product from Milk Makeup, Lip Plus Cheek in the shade Wreck. I already have this product on my makeup table and I love it. I use it more as a blusher and it's gorgeous. It have a beautiful natural dewy finish which I love. Very beautiful product. Third product is a full-size lipstick from Huda Beauty, Power Bullet in the shade Joyride. The shade is very dark for my taste. It's a dark dusty rose shade. I'm not sure that this shade will look beautiful on me. And the last product that we find is tada! An eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona, Mini Xenon palette. Well guys, when this palette was released I was nope, it's not for me. But now I see it and it's beautiful. Yes, it's a monochrome palette, but definitely is welcomed in my collection. Okay beautiful people, and here are all the products from the both stocking fillers. And to be honest, I'm happy with what I have in front of me. Well, the Huda Beauty lipstick shade is the only thing that keeps me away to be completely happy. With everything else, I am thrilled. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!